Chocolate rain. Some stay dry and others feel the pain. Chocolate rain. A baby born will die before the sin. Chocolate rain. The school books say it can't be here again. Chocolate rain. The prisons make you wonder where it went. Chocolate rain. Build a tent and something in there sing. Chocolate rain. Baby born will never cry again. Chocolate rain. Only in the past, that's what they say. Chocolate rain. Raise your neighborhood insurance rates. Chocolate rain. Make us happy living in a gay. Chocolate rain. Made me cross the street the other day. Chocolate rain. Made you turn your head the other way. Chocolate rain. Made you turn your head in history. Chocolate rain. I don't know the words again, but chocolate rain. Seldom mentioned on the radio. Chocolate rain. It's the fear your leaders call control. Chocolate rain. Worse than swearing, worse than calling names. Chocolate rain. Then it's say it publicly insane. Chocolate rain. No one wants to hear about it now. Chocolate rain. Orlando Bloom was good in that one movie. Chocolate rain. Makes best friends begin to fight and stuff. Chocolate rain. Yeah, that's why I come here. Chocolate rain. Stays behind as colors celebrate. Chocolate rain. Get your cute ass to the gay parade. Chocolate rain. The same crime has a higher price to pay. Chocolate rain. There's no parking places in Grand Street. Chocolate rain. The judge and jury swears it's not the face. Chocolate rain. I got tinfoil on my spokes again. Chocolate rain. Well, I'm in another state and stuff. Chocolate rain. I don't have the lock for my bicycle. Chocolate rain. These scars on my... Oh wait, I'm reading the wrong song. And behind my chocolate rain. Chocolate rain. You're doing it fucking wrong.